Yes, dear good day children. Till till chapter number 3 we have completed in previous part, previous class. Now today onwards we are going to start next chapter, that is Roman numerals. Okay, and Roman numerals, what is that? I have written you this chapter you have learned in class 4th also. Numerals means what are the numerical value and what sign we are using in Romans. I have written under them. 1 simple I, second 2 times I. Okay, in this way we are using, everybody knows. For 10 we are using X, 50L, 100C, 500D, 1000M, 20 double X, 30 triple X, 40 again in the form of means 50 minus 10. Okay, then add 50, फिर 50 plus 10, 50 plus then directly I have written 80. In this way we can write 70 also, or for 90 as we are using nearer to 100, at that time we are using XC. Means then you know that if a symbol is written right side and any symbol, smaller symbol, we cannot use more than 3 times. See that 1, 2 or 3. Then for finding 4, what you will do? 5 minus 1. Okay. Similarly 10, 20 or 30, till 30 we can use. As we will reach on 40, what we will write it beta? 50 minus 10. For L 50. Then 60 LX, 70 L double X, 80 L triple X. And as we will reach on 90, what we will write? 100 minus 10. Because here see the rule first. If a symbol is written right side of a greater value, see that 5 is greater than 1. Okay, and it is written on right side of the greater value. So it will be value, add its value to the symbol on the left. Means whatever symbol is given on the left side, you will add on it. See that 5 plus 1, it will be 6. Similarly 10 plus 1, it will be 11. 5 plus 1 plus 1, it will be 7. Okay, you already know all these rules because lot of questions you have done in previous class also. Now see that rule 2. If a symbol is written on the left side of a greater value, then it is subtracted from the greater value. For example, IV is there. At the time this greater value sign is on the right hand side and smaller is on the left hand side. So what you will do? 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. X right hand side greater value, 1 is on left hand side, so 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. XC, okay, it means 100 minus 10 is equal to 90. XL, 50 minus 10 is equal to 40. And smaller value sign you cannot use more than 3 times. Okay, for example, if we would like to write 40, so we cannot write LXXX or X. XXX we cannot write 40. It is wrong. For writing 40, what we have to do? L and X. It means because smaller value sign we cannot repeat more than 3 times. Okay. Smaller value sign we cannot repeat more than 3 times. Means if 3 is there, as we are reaching on the 4, then in what pattern we are writing? IV. IV means 5 minus 1. It will be equal to 4. Okay. So, don't be confused there. And similarly for 60, 70 and 80 also. Again as we will reach on 90, we will do the same procedure as we were doing earlier. Now rule 3 is there. The symbol V, L and D are never repeated. Are not repeated. उनको कभी भी repeat नहीं करते हैं. Okay. Suppose we would like to write 100. Suppose 100 we will be writing by C. 200 we are writing by CC. 300 we are writing by CCC. Then 400 how we will write beta? 400. How we were writing 4? We were writing 4 by 5 minus 1. So 400 we will write 500 minus 100. And what do you mean for 500? 500 we are writing by D. So first you will write D, and here left hand side you will write C, because the left value always subtracted from the right hand side value. Okay, so 600, suppose we would like to write 600. Then for 500 what we are repeating? D. Okay, and right hand side what we will write there? 500 plus 100 is equal to 600. This is 500, so it will be DC. So in this way you will use the symbols. Okay, so write down all these this table and all these rules in your copy, and then we are proceeding to our exercise, that is exercise number 4.